So it is a quick revision for the previous class. Okay, in the previous class, what we have done, we have created our org structure in the ERP side. Okay, what is the company? We have taken COMA as a company. Okay, for the March, and company code I have defined CCM2. Plant we have taken PLM2, and storage locations I have defined 3 different storage locations. Okay, so why I have defined 3 different storage locations, I will tell you. Okay, so let us consider. Again, I will going to take a means this warehouse I will be drawing it again and again. Okay, we will come across this warehouse again and again. See, let us consider this is my warehouse. Okay, and okay, this is my warehouse. Okay, I'm not taking the compound and all. Okay, so I'm just taking the warehouse only. So here I have the doors. Let us consider this is one door. Okay, this is the another door. Okay, we will going to take the goods from here. Let us consider this is our GR. Okay, goods receipt, or else inbound door I can say IBDR. Okay, inbound door. This is the outbound door. Okay, and we have the staging area here. This complete we will going to take as a staging area, or else separate staging area means this is one staging area where we'll going to receive the goods. Okay, and this is another staging area where you will going to send the goods. This is called as the GR zone. I will tell you about all these things. Okay, don't worry at all. Okay, what is GR zone, why we are taking all these things, I will tell you. I am just explaining what is this ROD AFS I'm taking. Actually, basically I'm considering these two. This IM is a inventory management storage location. Okay, this one I am taking it for something. I will just tell you. Okay, just to understand whether whatever the org structure I have created, it is correct or not. Just to understand that I am creating the IM. Okay, so here it is the GR zone, and here we have the goods issue zone. Okay, this is the GI zone. After that, okay, so we might be after the GR and all, here some work center might be there. Okay, work center. As I said, no, some deconsolidation activity, if it has to happen, means we're going to get the work center. If some VAS is there, means value added services, for that we'll be having some work center. Okay, VAS or else decon work center. Let us consider something like this. Okay, after that, here we are having some storage types. Okay, and please mute yourself if you are not speaking. Okay, so this is one storage type. Okay, this is another storage type for me. Okay, this is another storage. Let us consider like we are having some 3 to 4 storage types. Okay, so what is happening? We are receiving the goods. Okay, you know, in the MM side we will be having the stock types. Okay, in the MM side we'll come across the stock types. Okay, what are the stock types? Where we will going to see it? Okay, if you go to the transaction stock overview, that is MMBE. Okay, in the transaction I will just go through that. Okay, it will be helpful. Okay, if I go to the, see, this is not required for you. Okay, I'm just showing it. Okay, MMBE, whoever is not background of a MM, that's why I'm just telling for them as well. So until this, few were means everyone like you are having the background, but 2 people were joined, 3 people. Okay, so they don't have any background of the material management as well. Okay, so they don't know the SAP. Let us consider like that. Okay, for them I'm just telling. Here we can understand the stock types within, means what are the different stock types are available in the MM and all. We can able to check it over here. Okay, once I'm going to enter this, I'll just do one material. Okay, some material, plant, This is my previous plant. Okay, and once I'm going to execute now. Here we have the different stock types. This is the unrestricted use. Okay, this is called as a stock type FF. Okay, this is a some F, like in the EWM we're going to take it as a F1 stock type. Okay, and quality inspection, some other stock types are there. Okay, so we're not going to consider this reserve and all. Okay, we're going to consider one minute. So we'll be taking a unrestricted quality. Basically, one more is the blocked stock. Okay, blocked stock and returns. For this, what we're going to define is for the stock types FF, QQ, RR, and BB. Like that, we're going to define the stock types in the case of SAP MM. Okay, but these stock types will not going to come in the EWM side. We'll be having the stock type as F1. Okay, in the case of if it is unrestricted, okay, for unrestricted we'll be taking a FF. Okay, in the ERP side, but here F1 and F2. Why two stock types are available in the EWM? See, these things are the non-location dependent stock types. Non-location dependent means what? Wherever they are, okay, they are in the GR zone, they are in the some storage type, wherever they are non-location dependent. Means if it is unrestricted, it is unrestricted only. You can use it for your production or for anything. Okay, you can use it for anything. You can issue these stocks. Okay, in the MM side, but in the EWM side, they have defined F1 and F2 because if the stock type is F1, okay, I am, as I said, okay, whatever the what is that? Sorry, storage locations I am considering here. I already said this is the storage location, imaginary storage location. I am considering this entire storage location as ROD. Okay, means for the ROD, no, I am giving the stock type as F1. Okay, I am going the stock type as F1. Here for the ROD, I am giving the stock type as F1. Why F1? F1 is nothing but the, this is an unrestricted stock. Okay, this is unrestricted stock, but we cannot able to sell. Okay, we cannot able to sell this stock because why I cannot able to sell? I am receiving the material. Okay, so here one big box is coming. Within the box, we are having different products. Now in the deconsolidation station, I need to break the that box. Okay, I need to remove the materials out of it, and if some value added service need to be taken place on them, okay, I need to give the value addition for the materials. Okay, so that is why until the value addition, you cannot able to sell those materials to the different customers, right? So that is why what I'm considering, this is one ROD storage location. If the materials are here also, this is something like ROD only. Okay, so until and unless the material move towards a particular storage type or a particular storage bin, I will be taking the material as ROD storage location only, and the stock is F1. How I will going to define the stock? Based upon the availability group. Availability group. Okay, don't worry about this also. This is one class, means 1 or 2 classes I need to take on the availability group only. Okay, so here whatever the F1 stock is there, okay, I am giving the availability group as 001. Okay, for the F1 stocks, and once the material is moving to the what is that, some storage bin or the storage type, I will be giving the availability group as 002, where the stock automatically will going to change to the F2. Okay, how it will going to change, and how it will be moving to the AFS storage location, we'll going to see all of these things. Okay, so basically just understand why I am taking a 2 different storage locations here. Okay, one thing I have taken as a ROD storage location, another thing I am taking it as a AFS storage location. Okay, so that is, and one more I have taken just to means what is that, test. Okay, whether whatever the system I have created, the org structure I have created, whether it is correct or not. To understand that, I have taken the IM storage location. Okay, So next I have taken the purchasing org as PO, sorry, not POM2, this is POM1 only, I think. Okay, yeah, CCM1 only. Only plant I have copied, right? So PLM1 to PLM2 I have copied. These company codes and all, this is completely a FI data. Sorry, FI people will going to do this. This one also FICO people will going to do this. Okay. And from here, MM consultants will going to take care of the things. Okay. And until this MM consultant will be doing it. And this sales organization, distribution channel, shipping point and all, it will be done by the SD consultant. Okay. And from the warehouse, EWM will going to take place. Actually, here WM will going to create this ERP warehouse. If warehouse management is not maintained by the WM people, then EWM consultant has to take place this. Okay. And we will going to create one more warehouse in EWM side, okay, which is the 4-digit code. Okay, this also has to be taken care by the EWM consultants only. Okay, here I'll be taking it as a WH M2 warehouse M2, like that I'll be taking. Okay, so as of now, just understand these are the different modules which are taking care their work here. Okay, so this is one thing, and this is for MM consultants, they will be taking care, and this will be taken care by the SD consultants. Okay, and this will be taken care by the EWM consultants. Okay. So and whatever the assignments, okay, we have done the assignments as well. You know that why we need to do the assignments, to give the linkage between these two, right? So if some company is there and company code is there, if they have no, how they have linked that, we have to give the linkage in the assignment. Okay, so all those things assignment also I have done. Where I was just telling about the some yeah, Harshna.
One question here, Sri.
Yeah, please tell me.
Hello.
Yeah.
Yeah, actually, you mentioned that EWM, like two. One is ERP and one is EW. Like we have to create two warehouse. One is in ERP. Second one is EWM. That's what you mentioned in the Excel sheet. So
correct.
In case of embedded, we need to create only one, right?
No. In
only
the
one.
embedded also,
So
we need to create.
Why we are creating here?
No. In the embedded also, we need to create two, Harshna. Why? Because this is one dummy warehouse, okay, which is at the ERP side. We are not connecting plant, storage location, nothing to the EWM warehouse. Okay, we are not connecting anything to the EWM warehouse. We are just connecting this dummy warehouse to the EWM. We are connecting everything to the ERP warehouse only. This plant, storage location, and all we are connecting to the warehouse at the ERP only. Through this only, we will going to connect this warehouse to the EWM. Then only all the linkages will going to take place. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
And if there is any new requirement for creating new warehouse, in that case also, always we have to create two warehouse. One is dummy and one is actual one. Is it like that?
Yes, you are right.
Okay.
Why we are creating the dummy? Just to give the linkages. Okay, it will not going to take any materials. It will not at all coming across any of the functionalities. Just to give the linkage or the integration, it will be helpful for us. Okay, this warehouse. Okay, got the idea? Any doubts?
Okay.
So
yes.
Yeah. Okay. So I was just discussing about one more concept. Okay, in the previous class. Here IMG, I had been to logistic execution. Okay, in the logistic execution, we were looking at the shipping. Okay, here I have defined my shipping point and goods receiving point. Correct? No determination I have done. Okay, in this case, I have assigned my shipping points from where the material should go, and I have taken the goods receiving point. So whatever the goods are coming, where they should come? They should come into the ROD storage location only. Okay, they should come in the ROD storage location only. Like that, I have defined it now. Okay, and after that, I was showing you this delivery. Okay, in the shipping. If you go to the deliveries, okay, we will going to get the split criteria for the deliveries. Okay, what is the split criteria? Overall split criteria for warehouse number. Okay, so here we are determining the delivery split for warehouse number. I will tell you this why we need to take care of the split. What is that delivery split for the warehouse number? WM2 if you are taking. So here it is already taken. Okay, why I am taking it? Let us consider one warehouse is there. Okay, so if you are ordering 100 products, okay, so for the some particular vendor, the charge might be for particular material is maybe rupees 100 rupees. Okay, if you are same material you are ordering 1000 products, the charge may be reducing for 80 rupees. It will be there, right? Because once you will going to go for the market and you are purchasing the onion for 1 kg, he might be telling you 30 rupees. If you are purchasing 10 kgs, then he will definitely reduce the price to 20 rupees or so. Okay, so that is how even in the companies they will going to order the material something like this. Okay, they will going to order it in the bulk way, but vendor will not going to supply all the materials at once. Okay, he will going to split those deliveries. Okay, he will going to split those deliveries. If you are not take this split delivery, no, then we cannot able to split the delivery for this warehouse. For if you are purchasing anything for this warehouse, we cannot able to split the deliveries. Whatever the order I have given, I need to purchase all the materials, which is basically sometimes it is not possible at all, right? So if I'm ordering around 100 cars, okay, 100 cars to one showroom, all 100 cars cannot be come in a one particular truck. Okay, we have to split these deliveries in one truck. I can able to put around 8 cars. Okay, I can send them in the second truck. Again, some 8 cars like that. I need to split the deliveries and I need to move those trucks towards the showroom. Correct, no? So that is why we need to take this split delivery for this warehouse. Okay, we are splitting the delivery here. Okay, whatever the vendor who is sending the material to us and whatever we have ordered, he is splitting those orders. Okay, and he is delivering the materials to our warehouses. Okay, any doubts here? No doubts. Okay, so this is what we have taken at as of now. But you may ask, okay, how this plant, okay, and shipping point will be distributed to the EWM side. Okay, you may ask how this plant and shipping point will distribute to the EWM warehouse. Actually, this plant and shipping point, no, they will be having their own, like we will going to differentiate them through the locations. Okay, we're going to differentiate these two things with the locations. Okay, why locations? Because in the EWM side, okay, means both these things. Okay, in some cases what we may do, what is that, plant is PLM1 PLM2, like, so in some cases what they're going to do, okay, plant will be 1000, your shipping point also will be 1000. Okay, we can define something like this also. But in this case, how the EWM system should understand which is the plant and which is the shipping point. Okay, EWM system will not going to understand this case. Okay, so in that case what they will going to do to differentiate the shipping point and the plant. Okay, if I have given the identical numbers here to differentiate this plants and shipping point, okay, we can able to means do it through the some by running some what is that report, okay, in the EWM side. Okay, so what I will going to do, how we are transferring this plant and shipping point in the EWM, I'm just showing it now. Okay, this SPM2 and PLM2. Okay, so if I go to the EWM side, here one T code is there. Okay, one T code is there. If you want, you please note it down. Okay, /N/SAP/APO/LOC3. Okay, this is one T code for understanding the location. Okay, this is the T code for understanding the location. Just please note it down.
Yeah, provide this in chat also, Sri.
Okay, yeah, I'll give that. Okay, so with this decode, now what we're going to do? What are the different locations we have created for our warehouse? We can understand here. I'll just click enter. Okay, here I'll giving my plant PLM2. I'll click now. See, nothing is coming here. Okay, location type is not coming here. I'll say display also. It will show the error. Location PLM2 doesn't exist. So here, what are the different location types we have? Okay, see 1001. If we are creating the plant now, if you are creating the plant, it should come with the location 1001. Okay, location type 1001. How we are differentiating these things? That is why I am just telling. If it is a distribution center, it should come with the location 1002. Basically, we'll be taking a plant and the shipping point. Shipping point means it should come with the 1003, right? And if we are okay, that one I'll going to tell it later. Okay, so these two things only we need to understand now. Okay, if it is a production plant, it should come with the 1001, and if it is a plant, sorry, shipping point, then it should come with the 1003. And we have defined our shipping plant and what is that plant over here. Okay, my shipping point is SPM2 and plant is PLM2. Okay, what I have to do? I have to run one report in the what is that SAP. Okay, for running the report now, you should go to SC38. So this will be done only in the embedded system. This will be done in the only in the embedded system. Okay, so you may ask, okay, how we will going to transfer the plant and shipping point in the case of decentralized system? That will be done by the SIFing. Okay, SIF transactions, CFM1 and CFM2. I'll be telling about this SIFing in the next class, because in this class I'll be telling only about the embedded systems only. Okay, so SC38, if you just click enter, here is the program name. Okay, I will just give one program name here. Okay, program name to convert this shipping point and plant towards the what is that in the EWM side, we need to get them as a location type. Okay, so for that, which program will be using? Okay, slash SAP APO slash SAP APO slash create underscore location. Okay, this is the one particular program which we should run in the EWM side, so that we will going to transfer our plant and shipping point into the EWM system as a location type. Okay, I'll just paste them and I'll say execute. Okay, once I'll going to execute, here it will be asking for the plant and the shipping point. Okay, see, if you have the, okay, this is one drawback in the EWM decentralized EWM, that if the plant and shipping points are with the identical number, okay, then they will not going to able to shift in the EWM environment. Why? Because if I'm shifting the plant, okay, initially I'm going to shift the plant, okay, 1000, let us consider. Then later on, if I am shipping the same number with the same number, then system will throw an error saying that whatever the number you have provided, it is already converted as a location type. Okay, this is already converted as a location type. So we need to do some enhancement in the decentralized. I am going to tell it tomorrow. But in the centralized, they have given some means they have already enhanced something over here. Whenever you are taking the plant, okay, plant will convert it as it is, but shipping point, it will be taken care by the SP shipping point. Okay, shipping point will be converted as, okay, SP underscore. Then your shipping point will come here in front of this. Okay, so SP underscore, like that it will going to take. Then later on your shipping point will come like SP M2, like that it will going to appear. I will just show you this. Okay, plant I am putting, that is PLM2, and shipping point I am putting, that is SPM2. Now I'll just execute this. Okay, here only the message will come, location PLM2 created for the plant PLM2, and the location SP_SPM2 created for the shipping point SPM2. Okay, so this shipping point will going to create in the EWM side. Okay, this is the location, but for the plant it has created the same thing. Okay, I will just show you in the same transaction which I have taken earlier. Okay, I have to go to this location now. If you have given PLM2, just click enter. Okay, now the location is coming automatically. Okay, so if you say just a display, okay, you just display this thing. Observe here, this is the location type. Okay, 1001 is the location type, and what is the location? PLM2. This is coming from which system? This is the business system group. Okay, from this business system group it is coming, and in this business system group the name is PLM2, means this is business system group which is attached with the ERP. Okay, so that is what I said. Whatever the
Here is
yes.
what is business system group here?
Okay, I have told no, like logical system we have defined and business systems we have defined at the initial stage in the ERP side. Okay, so this is what the business system group we have taken. Okay, so whatever the data, transactional data, the master data you are transferring, okay, how you can understand, okay, the different ERP systems might be connected with the EWM system. How you can understand the data, whatever you are getting, this is coming from which business system group, like that you should understand, means that will going to show over here. Okay, the data is coming from BSG, business system group, but in the embedded system we'll be having only one. But if I show you the decentralized, you will be getting a different ERP systems which are connected with the EWM system. Okay, in that case, okay, from wherever the data is coming, that business system will go, group will going to appear here, and there the what is that? The location is maintained as PLM2, like that. Okay, so and this is the location type. Okay, which is created at the EWM now. Okay, so just I'll go back and I'll going to run for the SPM2 as well. The connection gone, I think.
Sri, location and external location, both are same or different?
No, external location means it is at the ERP side. Both are same only. Okay, it is at the ERP side, this is the name, but EWM side, it is the name. Okay, like that.
Okay, so it can be different also, it can be same also.
Same also, yes. I'll show you in the shipping point. You can see that.
Sri, I have one doubt.
Yes.
Yeah, actually, whenever you create a plant and shipping point,
Okay.
so we have to run each time. We have to run this program.
Yes, for everything. Okay, this is one-time activity, but whatever the shipping point and plant you're going to create, you should run it. Okay.
So whether this has to be done by EWM consultant or
no, EWM consultant. Yes, it has to be done by the EWM consultant. Okay, here if I'm typing the location, okay, I'm just giving the SPM2. Okay, whether if I'm putting the SPM2, whether it will going to come or not, we'll check it. Okay, see, it will not going to come. I'll say display also, it will throw an error. Location SPM2 doesn't exist. Okay, but we have transferred. But how it is transferred? It has shown us. Okay, SP underscore, like that it has transferred. Correct? No, this is the announcement what they have done. If I am having the identical names, okay, if I'm having the 1000 as a shipping point, 1000 as a plant, then shipping point will be transferred by the SP underscore. Okay, so this is how the name is going to differentiate here. Okay, I'll just click enter. Now you can see the location type is 1003. That is the shipping point. Okay, if you say display, you can just see now. Okay, the SP underscore SPM2, this is the location type which is in the EWM side. Okay, and it is taken from BSG. Okay, it is coming from BSG, business system group, and there the name is SPM2. In the ERP side, we have the name SPM2, correct?
right.
And the SPM2 is converting into SP underscore SPM2. Understood?
How the location type changed, because it was 1001 before, sir.
Yeah, this for the shipping point, the location type will be different. Okay, that is what I shown here. For the production plant, the location type will be different. This is for the shipping point, then this is for the production plant. It will take automatically because we have defined the shipping point, right?
Okay, define the plant there. Go back.
Yeah, I will just show the plant here. PLM2. Okay, it will change here.
Oh.
It will come automatically. Okay, once you have given the proper data, it will come automatically. Okay, no? So these are the different means your one diagram I am going to show for this. Okay, so if you observe here, only you just observe the top section only, plant and shipping point. Okay, if you are transferring this plant and shipping point, okay, so this is the R structure and the master data integration. Okay, it will be only in the unidirectional. Okay, I will provide all these things. Okay, just observe this. Whatever the R structure and the master data integration is there, it will be moving in only one direction, unidirectional. That is what I am showing here. This plant and shipping point is converting as a location types in the EWM system. They are converting as the location types in the EWM system. So in the decentralized system, we'll be using the core interfaces, but in the embedded system, we'll be using the report. Okay, so this is that what is that transaction to see the locations, but report I have just given in the Excel sheet for you. Okay, plant is going to convert as the location type 1001, and your shipping point will going to convert as a location type 1003. Okay, through
Is
this
it
diagram we
standard?
can, yes.
Is it standard? I mean,
Yeah, this
1001,
is standard.
1003,
Well, yes,
1009.
this is standard. Okay, it will not going to change anytime. Okay, now what I will do, I will be creating one material master for you. For this material master, but only in the centralized I am saying. Okay, centralized I am showing it to you. Decentralized tomorrow I will be telling. Okay, so we'll going to create the material master and the vendor master. Okay, then we'll going to check how these things will going to vary here. But don't worry. Okay, all these things material master, don't consider all these things. Okay, for the vendor and all.
Okay,
Because
sorry to interrupt, Sri.
no, yeah.
One more quick query. So now plant shipping point. So whatever plans we create, so all plans will be converted into location type 1001 and 1003, or how it is going to be?
Yeah, whatever
If
the
I'm
plans
having
will be there.
multiple plans.
Yeah, you will be having the means hundreds of plants might be there. If you are converting all the plants, then they will be taking care with the location type 1001 only. When
So
hundreds
there
of
will not be
shipping
any
points might be
conversion.
there, okay, they will be convert with the location type 1003 only. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. So here, don't worry at all about this particular vendor master and the customer master, because they are related to some decentralized system. Okay, you will not going to get any what is that ID types here. Okay, you will not going to get the ID types in the case of centralized system. In the embedded system, don't worry about this ID types and all. I will be showing all these things in the decentralized. Okay, but as of now, I will be creating some material and we're going to see how these materials will be varying. Okay, it is less than a minute. Please connect back and we're going to discuss further.
Okay.